Hi guys, I have here a shirt or a blouse. This is just a simple shirt like this, very simple. And this is the design. Look here, just like that. On the side it's like this. This is a very simple short sleeve. And this one I'm going to attach with lace so that it will look more beautiful. Okay, so this will look like this after I make the stitching. Okay, I bought this one from Zebra, Switzerland. So this is the simple t-shirt. It's just like this. So I will show you. I will add a lace on the side so that it will look more presentable. Okay, so let's do it. So it will be like that, and this is my sewing machine. Okay, so this product is from Zebra, Switzerland. So let's attach a lace so that it will look more beautiful. So let us decorate this simple blouse into a more attractive, more decent looking. Okay, come on, this is my machine. Let's start. Hi guys, this is my sewing machine. This one, the name is Easy Home. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to make over for my blouse. So let's start. This is now the plug, and we will on here so that it will start our work. So this is the plug. We're going to put in the connect natin siya sa electric para mag-okay na tayo kapag start. And we will on here. I-on natin siya dito. We will on. Naka-on na pala siya. Ito. Now it's already starting. There's already a light. Okay. So, dito tayo. So, I will show you how I will transform my ordinary blouse to a more presentable. Okay. Ayan. So this is it. So I have here the lace. I have here the scissor. The scissor, guys. So yan. Scissor. Okay, yan ang scissor natin. So this is our blouse, ordinary blouse. I bought this from Zebra, Switzerland. So in this portion, this simple, what is this? Simple neckline. Look, this is a simple neckline. I'm going to attach here with the lace. Okay, this one. We will attach this one. Okay, with the lace, so that it will look more presentable. Okay, stay tuned. So this is it. We will make a stitching here so that it will do like that. It will look like that. So para ganyan. So we will make a stitching here, guys. Lagyan natin ng stitches, look. So that this will go up like that. Okay, it will look like that. So, ganyan siya. And we will attach into the blouse. So this is now the blouse. I'm going to attach now this, guys, because I make already a fold like this. So this will be the back side, and this will look like this. Elevate. It's like a V shape. So I'm going to attach here. So we will start from the center, from here. So I'm going to use some pins. I have here some pins, okay? Pins, so that it's easy for us to follow the lines. Okay, we will stitch here and do it like that. So let's start here from the center. Pa-balance natin siya. We will balance para hindi siya tabingi, so that it will not be so that it will look perfect. So we will put some pins as our guide. Pins. Lagay tayo ng mga pins. Okay? So that it will not be moving. Pins. Pins. Lagyan natin siya ng mga pins. And here. Okay. Pins lang ang katapat niya. And also here. Also the other side. So we will just follow the neckline. It's like a round shape. And this one, okay? So later it will look like this, okay? So look here, guys, I'm going to start from the center so that it will be balanced. Para mag-balance siya, we will start from the center, okay? I'm just following this side, the neckline. So we will just follow the line. Remove the pins. Follow the lines lang. So until here only. Then we will cut out and we will check if it is okay. So okay naman siya. So this just like that. So I will show you later, guys, when the other side is done. Okay, so I'm starting the other side. So this is it. This is now the other side. This is from the right side. guys, I already attached. Look, I attached already the lace as a color or color. So this is the extra. So I am going to cut this one and fold it like this, and we will finalize to make a stitching so that this will be fixed finally. Okay, I'm going to cut this portion here. This is the extra. Fold natin siya dito. So this will be the extra. And I'm going to make a stitching here on this side. Okay. So stitch na natin siya. And this will be here. Doblehan lang natin siya. We will make a double stitching so that it will be sure na it is so now here let's make a double stitch. This is now my blouse. It's already done with the lace. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next premiere. God bless everyone. Bye bye.